Hi, I'm Jeffrey.
And I'm Larry. Welcome to Testrite, where we make visual displays.
Testrite is a 104-year-old American manufacturer. We're not an importer, we're not a distributor, we really make what we sell.
Work with Testrite. Trust us with your projects to get it right. Trust us to give you proper logistical support, properly made, properly serviced, acting with a sense of urgency. That's who we are.
Testrite now spans 150,000 square feet of manufacturing and industry-leading box making, laser cutting, frame making, powder coating, and all the critical capabilities necessary to serve our retail customers and the companies that serve them.
Thank you very much for all your business, and we look forward to working with you for many years to come.
From our family to yours,